Qollab cuties!
Hey cuties! Mariah! Hey cuties!
I'm Mariah. I'm Gianna.
I'm Lucas.
And I'm Michaela.
Today we're going to be making slime. This DIY is going to be
I'm sorry.
led by Mariah. Hey guys, so I'm a slime pro. You will need bowls. You also need spoons.
Glue!
Borax, food coloring, and some other stuff.
Let's get started.
Am I leading you through this?
Yeah, I don't know how to make slime.
Yeah, I don't either.
I know we're getting this far. I thought we were gonna like stop and then like well, here we are, stop it. Now let's talk about it. Okay, so we need some water first.
Gianna?
Okay. How much?
Mariah.
I mean,
How much?
I kind of just guess. So like
So
a
like
bowl
about
full?
how much?
Like a bowl full? I don't know.
Mariah!
Okay, I'll
Okay,
go.
I'm a slime pro.
I do look. You also need water. Sorry. Sorry.
Borax.
Okay. Okay, can I have the borax?
So first, get your bowl and your spoon.
Okay.
Step one.
So what are you doing here, Mariah? I'm making the activator so we put this in and become slime.
What are you mixing?
Borax and water.
Borax and water.
You can put the glue
Get
inside the
the
bowl
tools
now. How
Really?
much? How much do you want?
I'm
As
gonna get a
much-
lot.
How much do you want? God.
I'm gonna get a little.
I'm gonna get a medium amount.
That's
a lot of
just
glue.
right.
Just right. Those angles.
I'm nutting.
Stop.
My nut.
Demonetized.
What does that mean?
Get
You wanna get money
demonetized.
for the video.
Eat it.
Alright, let's put it
Stop
on.
talking.
Really? How much?
Nothing.
Well then.
5
Can
minutes.
you listen to the leader?
Oh yes, I'm sorry. Let's bring it back.
Okay. So now we can put like food coloring in if we want.
I want. I want. How much do I put in? All of it?
No.
Got that pink?
How much?
It's like 1 or 2 drops. It's really like.
It matches our visors.
Oh,
exactly.
Collab cuties.
If you want a color like this,
Oh, I
you.
stopped recording.
Oh.
You can talk to that.
If you want a color like this, which you probably can't see, so never mind. But
I'll
anyway.
cut to the close-up I got.
Oh yes.
Surprised my camera
Yeah, shut
hasn't
up.
died yet.
What?
Michaela hasn't died.
I'm surprised my camera hasn't died.
Oh, these are Michaela.
Me
hasn't
too.
died.
For both of those.
Good slime.
Alright, alright.
Okay, I'm done.
Next step! Now we can start adding borax and activate the slime, you know?
I'm so excited.
To ask you something.
This is
So
crazy.
go ahead, start over.
I heard that about halfway you start mixing it with your hands. Is
Yeah,
that true?
it is true.
That's a good tip.
Good tip.
Remember that, kids?
Just the tip.
Please
Just
stop.
Just the
Remember
that's what we
that.
that's what we should. That's what anytime we do.
We're gonna get demonetized, but who cares?
and whenever
If
we
you
do
guys have any
DIY.
suggestions for our channel, comment below.
Any DIYs you want to see?
Yeah.
We'll do them. How's mine looking?
Remember to subscribe. Mine look good.
Mine looks like scrambled eggs.
Mine looks like
Give me
scrambled
more.
eggs.
Found it yet.
If you got any borax?
And you? I have no idea how it's going.
So if you put a little too much glue, you need some more borax.
No, I think I need more glue.
Oh.
What the fuck? I mean, frick and frack. Whoa.
I'm gonna take my rings off.
You should have done that before the video.
I don't. Am I? Mariah,
Well,
Mariah,
sorry.
please help me. I'm scared.
Don't be afraid to ask for help.
Feels interesting.
Alright.
That's for sure.
The cup's gonna get.
Demonetize
But
again.
it's
Mine
too
is
much
dripping
borax.
wet.
Okay, go tell them.
This is probably, I probably put too much borax because as you can
Oh,
see
shit.
that when I try to stretch it, it just rips.
Close up to the camera. Once you guys
Mine
are
is
content.
oh my god, I drifted on the.
Gianna,
Gianna.
you have an emergency.
I ruined your pad.
My pad?
My slime is gonna be trash.
Is it focused? Can you see it?
It's just ripping apart.
Can you see it?
Mariah,
I mean,
please
mine
help
feels
me.
good. Mine feels like a stress ball.
Mine's ready.
Mine feels like
Just keep going.
it's glue.
Just keep going.
I'll edit it.
That'd be so bad.
I know. It's beautiful.
Cool.
Shut the.
Lucas, can I see yours?
This is my black slime, or this is just black glue, but I'm gonna make slime.
Where's the
out of it.
black stuff? Anyway, please.
Gianna has an orange one.
That was so funny. Thank you for showing mine while
You're
I'm
welcome.
slaving
Very
away.
nice. A purple black. Very nice.
There's the borax solution.
Can you pass it? No.
Thank you. I think we all wanted to do that.
You should mix it.
One little slip.
We
We should have an acoustic version of that playing in the back.
Christian, come make an appearance. Come make an appearance.
Hey.
Do you want to
Hey,
make?
The
Show the
Armenian
camera.
guy?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Do you want to see my slime? Gianna,
That's
you tell us
pretty
that
purple,
now.
Mariah.
It's too late now. What? I know. It's purple. I thought it was like a dark purple.
Do I need more borax?
Probably
You
not.
need something.
Ink, like, doesn't look
It
right.
looks like a finger to squid.
Yeah, no, it does not look right.
It looks like a finger to squid.
What? You fingered a squid?
That's what it looks
It does
like.
I don't think their ink stack is where you like a finger can.
What if I wanted to finger the ink sac?
I don't. It is
Yeah, me
kind
too.
of- Really, Lucas? I'm. This is the second time
It
you've
has
done this.
hair in it.
No.
Not doing it. Traction cook.
Yes,
No.
you may. Who made it?
Mom.
I made it.
Mom baked it.
I frosted it.
Okay.
We didn't hear that
Got
part.
him.
Yeah, we didn't hear
I
that part.
carved it and I frosted it and I made the frosting. So
Okay.
that's most.
So your mom made it.
It's a team effort.
So what I'm hearing is.
What I'm hearing is Francina, the queen.
Here's
Let's
my
take a lot,
next
okay?
slime. You can take a lot.
Okay.
It's orange. I'm gonna flavor it and add some stuff. So
Your flavor. Oh my god, I'm Sal and your Myrrh, so that actually makes sense.
I'm Mer.
Yeah.
When did
Did
we?
you, did you not read that? I had sent a long ass text message.
When?
Yeah.
Practical Jokers?
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
Christian, who do you think I am?
Cute.
I was
Oh.
gonna say that.
Really?
It's
Well,
because we
now
think
I'll
alike. We're
never
best
know.
friends. We're best friends, so we have the same thought process.
Wait, so I'm Mer. Gianna's cute 5
Christian, have you ever done a T-pose?
I'm
What?
Sal and
I
then Mariah's
T-posed
Joe.
on everybody at
Joe has
school.
like no. What?
I T-pose at everyone too. What am I stepping
Oh
on?
my god.
Stepping on some slime.
Hey, cuties! This is the end. We finished all our slime. Those ones are mine. That's Gianna's. Just so
We
you
don't
know.
need, we'll get into that. We'll get into the specifics later. But right now we just wanted to show you our display. To give a special thank you to our teacher today, Mariah.
Yes.
She's graciously hosted our creativity.
Right, your house.
I know. I graciously hosted everyone because this is my house. But Mariah graciously hosted her. I don't know what to say. She helped us. Thank you, Mariah. I appreciate you. You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
So yeah, this is our slime. We'll do close-ups now.
Sexy photo shoot with
we should
our
do foot
slime.
models. I'll hold it
That's
between my
disgusting.
That's disgusting.
and
So
our
gross.
decorations, the battery.
This one would look good with your feet. It would blend in.
Look really good in your armpit too.
I don't even remember which ones I did. Yes, I do. Never mind.
Stop zooming in on that one. It's so gross.
It's like an omelet.
What kind of omelet is that?
A matzi omelet.
A rotten.
A matzi omelet. Matzi omelet. Matzi omelet.
Those are the really exciting ones.
Okay,
Okay.
Okay.
go ahead.
Hello. I made some good slime. I made this lavender one. It's lavender scented and it has like the white glitter or whatever, like the clear glitter.
Let me get a close up.
Gotta do the moving.
You're not in it.
Stop. I was about to throw that down.
All right, there, got it.
Okay. And my other slime that I made is this blue one. It also smells like lavender and has the white glitter and it's blue to match my visor, but it's that's not the same blue.
Let me get a
Okay.
close up.
Really interesting.
What are those two specks in it?
Specks. Probably some from your omelet. Disgusting piece of.
What? Disgusting what?
Disgusting butt.
Hi everyone! So today, one of the two slimes that I made is this rose slime, okay? I, just like Michaela, I did it to match the color of my visor.
I can't see it. I can see it now.
Can you see it now?
Stop!
Alright, can I see it up close?
I'm confiscating this.
So,
Is there glitter in it?
there's supposed to be glitter in it, but I mixed it up and so it's not as like showing. And I put too much borax so it's not that squishy, but I mean, it's like, it's kind of like a stress ball, so it's kind of nice, you know? Staying
Well,
positive.
you're out of focus.
Well, maybe you should put me in focus.
Can I see your shirt?
Demonetized.
Oh yeah, this is a certain company. I think they have the trademark.
Oh, sorry.
Anyway, and then the second slime that I made today is this black slime.
What happened to your hands?
Yeah, they got, when I was mixing this, anyway, when I was mixing this, the dye got all over my hands, and so, you know, it kind of became a problem. But this one sounds nice. Watch, let me, like, kind of.
ASMR.
So can we go for the best one?
Oh god. Disgusting.
Oh, you didn't talk about scents. Oh, well.
Oh, whatever.
Yeah, you didn't talk about that.
It's really Anyway, here's Gianna's. Here's Matzi. Oh, no. Here's Matzi.
Can you talk about what's in it?
So we have like this yellow. It's tangerine, right?
Yeah, it's
Tangerine with these little like white balls make it look really cute. There's some orange in it because she messed up and she put them both together. And Matzi's having a fun time. Okay. We also have this orange one. Kind of reminds me of Halloween, you know? Very nice. Basic. Basic. Basic.
No, you gotta let it hang. You gotta.
Stop.
Wait, you have to let go, you're holding the balls.
I'll go like this. So it's really nice. A basic kind of slime, you know, some glitter, red in there. Looks really nice.
I just hold it.
Anyway, let's go to my slimes.
Wait, I had more.
Oh yeah,
I had my sensitive tan and my maroon. My
Forgot about those.
navy blue.
here's navy blue.
I tried to make it navy
Wait,
blue.
sorry.
It
I'm gonna
looks-
make a penis out of this one.
It looks black, but it's navy blue apparently.
Just glares at me.
It's very nice. Very
What does
nice
it smell
and
like?
squishy. I can't smell anything.
It smells like roses.
Okay.
That looks like a fish.
It's not a fish.
Alright, I also
Okay.
made tan.
Also made sensitive tan,
Actually, it's
Very nice.
abstract tan.
abstract tan, whatever. It's very nice.
What does it smell like?
I don't know.
Ass.
How did I get that nice brown chocolatey color?
Oh, chocolate.
Cocoa powder.
Cocoa. Very nice. Very
I'm
nice.
really proud of
Very good.
Anyway,
Alright, so moving on to your
my
slime.
slimes. So I made two slimes. I have this green to match my visor. Very nice. Very squishy, like how it
That's
should be. It's really good. Mine smells like peppermint.
Can I smell?
Disgusting.
It smells really good.
I feel a cigarette scent.
Nasty.
Anyway, to this purple one. I tried to make black, but it turned out purple, so it's okay. It's very nice and squishy like the last one.
It's like a chode.
I forgot what's in it.
Stop!
Anyway, it's very nice. Anyway, that's it.
Okay, let's sign off now.